Welcome to the Crowds Invoice Exchange tutorials. Today we're going to look at completing your company profile. This profile is located under Settings in the side menu or under the top right drop-down menu. Open Settings. The company profile should automatically be displayed. The data fields in gray have been auto-filled from information you provided previously. Most of these fields are self-explanatory and are similar to forms you have filled out before. There are a few fields, however, that you may need to pay particular attention to, so let's take a look at some of those. State of incorporation is the state where the business was originally formed and was registered. State assigned ID number and date of corporation. This is the number you are assigned by the state when you formed your business. And not all states have the same designation for the number. Clicking the link in the eye icon will show you how to access your Secretary of State site where you can get your number and date of incorporation. DUNS number. Not every company has a DUNS number, but if you have one, please enter it here. This is a number issued by Dun & Bradstreet and will expedite our validating your company and improving your registration. NAICS is a federal classification system for businesses. You can click the iInfo icon above and it will give you a link to the NAICS keyword search page. You may have to try a couple of different words to find the right classification. For instance, if I type trucker, I'll get no result. Trying trucking, I could get a list to choose from. Choose the right one to enter into your NAICS field. Please be precise. Company address is where you are currently doing your business. For ownership, if you own 100% of your company, just indicate that and you're done. If you have partners, however, you need to list any of your partners that own 20% or more and add all documents showing legitimate ownership. That's it. Thank you and have a great day.